Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So yay, my first unboxing since my horrible COVID adventure. Yeah, this parcel has come to me from the lovely people at diamondartgift.com, and huge thank you to them. They did send me this before I got poorly, or during when I was poorly, and I just sent an email saying, you know, I'm really sorry I can't do the unboxing quickly because I've got this dreaded leggy, and they were really lovely and wished me well. So yeah, I finally got to open it. It's been very difficult while I've been poorly not to want to treat myself and go and just open everything up and look at it properly, but I managed to just put them in my craft room and try and ignore them, but they've all been waving at me saying, hello, come and open us, we want to have a look. Okay, so I hope everybody's well anyway. So let's see what we got this time. Oh, we've got a little diamond painting there. Oh, I think we've got a foot there in that corner. And then we've got a box, and I love my boxes. Yay! So, oh, heck. This one's come in a bag, in a box. Very nice, and I like these bags. I keep them to put things in. You know what I'm like, I'm a crafter, I keep everything. Right, so before I get into the box, because I'm dying to see what's in the box, their usual promotions are on, which is if you buy 4 products, you get 1 free, which is absolutely brilliant. I love that, the fact that, you know, you think, oh, well, I might as well add an extra one to my basket so I can get another one free. Yeah, we all like free, well, I do anyway. And there is 70% off shipping, so obviously do check your country and what things apply to you. But yeah, that's what's set here in the UK. Right, so it's one of these lovely diamond painting boxes. Don't forget to cut your diamond out, and you can either laminate it or put some sealer on it even. And yeah, you've got a nice diamond there that you can turn into a fridge magnet or a needle minder or a cover minder. Yay. Right, let's see if we can get into this box and see. Right, look, I'm making you wait, I'm doing it slowly. Oh, that's gorgeous, look at that. All right, so it's one of my special drill projects, and I just absolutely love these. And this is a beautiful stag. Wow, look at that. All those colours on there. This is wonderful. So it is a hanging ornament. Oh, we've got the picture on the back as well. I'm loving how they're doing this now, because if you do want to sort of hang them on a patio door or from a window or from your curtain pole or something, then, you know, the people outside aren't just seeing the back of a diamond painting with all the numbers and the gems. They are actually seeing a picture as well. But when you've got your gems and you hang them up at a window, you get all that sparkle and light coming through, and this is wonderful. Oh, look at that. These flowers down here are gorgeous. So we've got a few specials on it as well. Right, I guess I better get my tape measure out. Completely out of practice at unboxings now. So it has been a while. I did manage to have a little bit of energy yesterday, just a little bit, and it came and went fairly quickly, but that's better than it's been for the last few weeks, so yay, we're getting there. Right, so let me have a look. So we're about nearly 10 inches, which is about 25 centimetres, so yeah, it's a nice size. Sort of an in-between size, not a small one, but not a huge one. Yeah, so it's about a 10-inch square, roughly. Yeah, I don't measure to the exact millimetre or whatever. I just give you a rough idea of the size. But, oh, look at that. Look at all the colours on the stag. Yeah, I would have said it was more of a sort of a girly shape, really. But with these antlers and the points, are they, that they say on them, then it's possibly a young buck, as they call them. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Right, so we have our pen, butter and wax. And, oh gosh, I can't even open these bags, look. It sapped my strength. Oh no. Oh, that's in a separate bag. Oh, that's good, so I can keep my chain in there. And yeah, so I've got a nice hanging chain, just a basic sort of chain there, a loop chain, is it a curb chain? Not quite sure. Right, let me give this a quick measure as well. So, I mean, to be honest, as I always say, unless I'm going to hang it up in a window, then I do tend to just use command strips and put them on the wall. And because these sort of like bits where the chain goes through are actually sort of transparent, and you don't really notice them on the wall. You're too busy looking at the beautiful design in the middle. Right, so let's have a look at this one. So it's about 40 centimetres, about 15 3/4 inches. So it's got quite a good drop. You can always shorten your chains, tie a knot in them, just to make them a little bit smaller. Sorry, I have still got my cough. That just seems to want to go on forever. So I do apologise if the video suddenly jumps a little bit. It's because I'm cutting out the coughing. You don't want to listen to me cough. Alright, so that's our nice chain there, good strong chain. And let's have a look at all these crystals and special shapes. Oh, look at these. There's no jam codes or crystal codes on them, but that's okay, we can live with that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different gems and colours, all exceptionally sparkly. So we've got a lovely sort of citrusy, lemony yellow there, and like a peachy colour there, it's pretty, and a lime green. Yeah, lime green is definitely in. We are definitely getting a lot of diamond painting things with lime green. A pale lilac-y colour. Ooh, a lovely aqua blue, a pale pink, and then in our special shapes, some large amber rounds. Ooh, some lilac-y marquees with an iridescent coating, some aqua blue marquees, some, ooh, look at those, like a green with a very oil and water iridescent coating. So yeah, definitely Northern Lights, that one in the marquees. And then the red ones with the fire red iridescent coating on in the marquees. So yeah, we're just one large rounds, which are going to be all of the A's, which, oh, there's a lot of them actually. Yeah, they're all the middles of the flowers and then dotted around as well. And then the flowers have all got the marquees on them, so they're really going to sparkle. And the leaves as well. Oh, there's a lot of marquees on this. So yeah, very pretty. But that stag is just so handsome. Gorgeous. I'm loving this colour. Be interesting to see how that comes out. Yeah, this, well, it is smashing the specials at the moment, which Mindy's Diamond Moments, or Diamond Moments on Crafts on and Crafts on Facebook. I'll put links down below. It is Mindy's event, and I have taken part in it since, I think, possibly the second, yeah, it was the second Smashing the Specials that she did that I started taking part. Not quite sure what number we're on now, probably 7 or 8 maybe. But yeah, I love doing it, and I do like my specials, so Smashing the Specials is wonderful. Let me know if you're taking part in Mindy's event. Okay, I will put a little thing in our Facebook group if you want to add any of your entries into Mindy's Smashing the Specials event. Just to keep the Facebook group going a little bit. Scottiedogcrafts. Yeah, thank you to everybody that's been putting on there as well. I love seeing everybody's completions. Right, so let's just pop that one on one side. Oh, the price of this one was $10.99. So you're looking probably around the £9.50, £10-ish mark for the conversion. So yeah, but that is gorgeous. Stunning. Oh, you can see how the colours look a little bit on the neck there, and yeah, it's like the reflection from the window, it's catching the colour from the flowers and reflecting it all onto the stag. So pretty, loving these. And wait till you see the Christmas one as well. There's a Christmas version of that come out. Yay! Right, so what did we get in the canvases? Oh, I think I can see the back end of something there. So let's have a look. Okay, where's it hidden? Where's it hidden? There it is. They do like to keep me on my toes. So this one is just a little 30 by 30, but it's a patchwork cow. And I thought, oh, she's so pretty. So we've gone from a stag to a cow. Look at that. Oh, Actually, that expression looks like Grandma's made me a coat, and look at it. Alright, let's give it a quick flatten out. So yeah, we are a 30 by 30 canvas, so just a quick little one to do. You know, if you are doing smashing the specials, these are great because they're done so quickly. And yeah, you just get that satisfaction of getting something completed, and just so much sparkle and bling. It's wonderful. Just needs a good flatten. It's just got a bit creased coming through the post, but that's okay. It'll soon flatten out under something heavy, and then you can get along working it. Ooh, and we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different gems and colours. And we have the crystal codes and DMC codes, so we can kit these down in a proper order. But isn't that wonderful? It's a little girl cow, and she is just looking... Actually, she might be quite happy because she has got these gorgeous flowers up here and these great big bouquet flowers here. It's definitely like a coat, isn't it, that she's got on? Because look, you can see where it comes on and off, so you would peel it off and take it off her legs. And it even covers her tail there, look, as well. But isn't that wonderful? Yeah, we've got Granny's quilt on a cow. It's marvellous. I love it. I love cows' eyes. I think they're so gentle animals. And yeah, somebody has told me that cows are very much like dogs, very inquisitive, and do like a good head rub as well, a good scratch around the rears. So yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Loving the colours. Ooh, looks like we're going to have a lot of teeny tiny teardrops because there's all these flowers around here, look, on this quilt. Yeah, there's a lot of them there. Ooh, they're going to take a bit of doing, but that's okay. It just makes it a little pretty picture. Oh, we've got pen boat and wax, your standard little toolkit. Pop that out the way. And here, oh, look at that. We're all pre-bagged as well. Excellent. And the gem codes are actually on the bags as well as the canvas. Yay, liking that. So let's have a look at these gems and colours. Oh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, we haven't got a B. Ah, that's why. I was just thinking, this has got an E. It should be 13. But no, there's no B, so that's why. No B's. Bzzz. Oh dear, sorry. As you can tell, the COVID hasn't knocked the silliness out of me yet. So we've got some lovely pale pink marquees there. And they haven't got any facets on, so you get a real different effect with those on the sparkle. We have some green marquees with an iridescent coating on. Oh, and look at all these teeny tinies. So we've got an aqua blue one, teardrops, and a red one, a lovely deep red, gorgeous. And then we have a larger round in the red colour there. Yep, they have got all the codes on the bags as well. That's excellent. And then we have a red to match there. You're a... I didn't say it made me less clumsy. A standard black there. And a pale pink. And oh, your crystal there. These are lovely and clear, these crystals. Very, very sparkly. And like a peachy amber colour there. Very pretty. An aqua blue. Oh, and a lovely grassy green. Yay. So a lovely good contrast of colours there. Very nice for our little moo cow. Yeah, look. Just rich colours there. Very pretty. Okay. Love that. Absolutely love it. Oh, she hasn't really got a smile, has she? Or she might have. Somebody said, oh, I like your coat. Do you think she's turned around to say, oh, thank you very much. My very own little panting hot dog has just arrived in the room. Little Millie Moo has just come upstairs and is sat under my desk. Yeah, if you saw my previous video, you will see that she was sat on my desk before. But no, she's not on my desk today. She's under it. Yay! Okay, huge thank you Diamond Art Gift for sending me these. That stag is beautiful, very, very handsome, and I love my moo cow. She's very, very pretty. Oh, thank you Diamond Art Gift for sending me these. They're absolutely wonderful. Love them, can't wait to get them done, and hopefully during smashing the specials. Okay, thank you to you for joining me. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I know I've got quite a lot to catch up on, but I will get through them all, promise. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then a thumbs up is very much appreciated. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next and see these completed, and if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! All the details of these will be down below in the description as well. If you click on the more and then more again, you'll get the links for the items. So, okay. Well, thank you ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.